Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3, playing with numbers, exercise 3.4. In that, question number 2. The question is given: find the largest number which is a factor of each of the numbers 504, 792 and 1080. Find the largest number means find the largest number which is a factor of each of the numbers. So means that is HCF, highest common factor. We need to find HCF. First of all, I am writing the numbers. What are the given numbers? The given numbers are 504, 792 and 1080. Now I am choosing which method to find the HCF. We discussed the prime factorization method and the continued division method. I am using continued division method. HCF, highest common factor, by continued division method. Okay, HCF by continued division method. First of all, I am going to find the HCF of the two smallest numbers. Out of these three, these two are the smallest numbers. I am taking these two numbers. Out of these two, which is the greatest number? 792. So I am dividing 792 with the 504. Okay. Now 792 is the dividend and 504 is the divisor. By the multiples of 504, 504 ones are 504, 504 twos are, we get that is 1008, means which is crossed 792. So that's why 504 ones are 504. By doing subtraction, okay, by taking borrow means 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 4, 12 minus 4, that is 8. 8 minus 0, 8. 7 minus 5, that is 2. We get the remainder is what, Nana? The remainder is 288. Now the remainder 288, it is act as a divisor. The divisor 504, this is act as a dividend. Okay. Now with the 288 ones are, because of twos are means it is crossed. So 288 ones are 288. By doing subtraction, we get by taking borrow 14 minus 8, that is 6. 9 minus 8, 1. 4 minus 2, that is 2. So 504 minus 288 means we get that is 216. The remainder is what, Anna? We get the remainder is 216. Now so we get the remainder is 216. Now the remainder 216, it acts as a divisor. The divisor 288, it acts as a dividend. Now the process is continued like this only. 216 ones are 216. So we get by doing subtraction 8 minus 6, that is 2. 8 minus 1, that is 7. So 288 minus 216, we get that is 72. Now the remainder 72, it acts as a dividend. Sorry, the remainder 72, it acts as a divisor. The divisor 216, it acts as a dividend. 72 threes are, that is 216. So clearly what we get, the last divisor. The last divisor is what, Nana? That is 72 is the HCF. So we can say that Therefore, we can say that the HCF, the highest common factor of 504 and 792 is 72. So by taking these two numbers, we get the HCF is 72. Now third number is there now. So now I am going to find the HCF of. I am going to find in next case the HCF of 72 and 1080. Okay, now the HCF of 72 and 1080. So 1080 is the bigger number, so this is the dividend, and 72 is the smaller number. You just multiply, take the multiples of 72. So by doing what, 72 ones are, we get 72. That is 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2, that is 6, and 10 minus 7, that is 3. Carry down 0. 72 5s are, 72 5s are, we get 360. 72 into 5s are, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, plus 1 36. Okay, 72 5s are 360. Means clearly we can write 72 15s are, directly 72 15s are what, 1080. So this is the last divisor. So that's why we can say that therefore the largest number, therefore the largest number means that is HCF, highest common factor, of 504, 792 and 1080 is, that is 72. Okay, now so this is the required answer for this question. Now in the same manner, see one more question. Okay students, now question number 3. The question is given: the length, breadth and height of a room are 12 meter, 15 meter and 18 meter. Length, breadth and height of a room are 12 meter, 15 meter and 18 meter respectively. Determine the length of the longest stick, that can measure all the dimensions of the room in exact number of times. What is the question? Determine the length of the longest stick that can be measured all the dimensions of the room in exact number of times. So in this question we need to find the longest stick, means we need to find the HCF, highest common factor of the particular given dimensions. Okay, now what are the given numbers, Nana? You can write what are the given dimensions, the given data, given the dimensions of a room. The dimensions of a room are, that is length 12 meter and breadth is given 15 meter and height is given 18 meter. Okay, so we need to find the longest stick that can be measured all the dimensions of the room in exact number of times. Longest stick means we need to find the HCF, highest common factor of these numbers. Okay, for finding HCF, this time I am going to take a prime factorization method. Okay, So HCF by prime factorization method. Okay, what is the number here? The one of the dimension is given, that is 12. Finding the prime factors of 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Okay, and finding the prime factors of 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Okay, and finding the prime factors of 18. That is our wish. You need to take any number. 3 6 are 18 because of which is a prime number. Okay, 3 2s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. So I found a prime factors of 12, 15 and 18 individually. I am taking the length of a longest stick, means that is HCF, highest common factor of these three numbers. Thus we can take 12 is equals to, that is 2 into 2 into 3, and 15 is equals to, that is 3 into 5 na, 3 into 5, and 18 is equals to, that is 3 into 3 into 2. So is there any common factor for these three numbers? Yeah, which is that one? That is 3. 3 is common factor for these three numbers. That's why we can say that, therefore the length of the longest stick, the length of the longest stick, that is nothing but HCF, highest common factor, is equals to, that is 3 meters. Okay, so this is the required answer for this question. In the same manner, now see one more question, that is question number 4. The question is given, the HCF of coprime numbers 4 and 15 was found as following by prime factorization. Given coprime numbers are 4 and 15. So they given in question only 4, they can express as prime factors, that is 2 into 2, and 15 they can express the given prime factors, that is 3 into 5. So they given in question, there are no common factor for these two numbers. 4 is equals to, they given 2 into 2, and 15 is equals to, they given, that is 3 into 5. So clearly there are no common factor for 4 and 15 in given data. Okay, so that's why they given the HCF, highest common factor of 4 and 15 is 0. Is this right? Is it right or is this right or wrong? Justify your answer. If it is wrong, justify your answer. If it is right, justify your answer. Enduku right aithe enduku right, wrong aithe enduku wrong. Okay na? So clearly they only given coprime numbers. Coprime numbers means what? We discussed it. The numbers having the highest common factor is 1. The numbers having the highest common factor as 1, then the numbers are called coprime numbers. So what I am doing here, the given two numbers are 4 and 15. I am finding the HCF of 4 and 15. Okay, I am dividing 15 with 4. 4 3s are 12. We get the remainder is what, Nana? 3. Okay. The remainder 3 act as a divisor. The divisor 4 act as a dividend. 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3, that is 1. Now 1 as a remainder, 1 act as a divisor and the divisor 3 act as a dividend. 1 3s are 3. So clearly we get a remainder is 0. What is the last divisor? The last divisor is 1, means which is called the HCF. So we get therefore the HCF highest common factor of 4 and 15 is, that is 1. So they given wrong answer. Okay na? So this is the right answer. Okay. So this is the required solution for this question. Okay students, so you to practice the remaining problems in the same manner. Thank you.